When you hear the word Swadeshi, you probably think of things like the visible stuff, like khadi, handloom, handcrafts, things made in India. And yes, it is that. But Swadeshi is not only the things that we make or design, but also about how we solve problems locally. Think of it as a problem-solving mindset. Let me explain this with the story of Bakri doctors. Yes, goat doctors. So my dadi grew up in a village, now a small town called Silli in Jharkhand. And the family had like a couple of goats. But to them and to a lot of families like them, the goat was not just a goat. The livestock was essentially savings, security, and even sometimes school fees. One goat was literally sold so that one of her sisters could continue studying. And even today, across parts of Jharkhand, Bihar, and many other states of India, small livestock is a signal of wealth. But unlike gold or land, livestock can actually fall sick overnight. And for villages where veterinary care is too far to access or very limited, that loss can be devastating. So instead of only sending help from cities or so, state governments have implemented the Johar project, which is supported by the World Bank, have trained local women as Pashu Sakhis or Bakri doctors. They've trained women who already had the knowledge, trust, and everyday experience of caring for livestock. And now they provide basic animal health care like vaccinations, first aid, feeding and hygiene advice. And that to me is Swadeshi as policy design. It carries a deeper design principle that communities should not always have to wait for outside interventions to solve their own problems. In this case, policy redesigned women's roles from invisible caregivers to recognized service providers. So let me remind you, Swadeshi is not only buy local. It can also mean train local, trust local, and govern local. So if you're interested in this deeper idea of being Swadeshi with native solutions, local knowledge, and community-led systems, you should definitely check out Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat, Swadeshi Ke Anant Rang, happening from 21st July to 23rd July at NCPA Mumbai. It's a 3-day confluence by Garavare, high-tech film support of our culture, along with Sakshi, who is visibilizing the invisible hands that build India every single day. Sadly, I can't be there. If you're in Mumbai, go on my behalf and DM me all the interesting conversations that I might have missed.